Hi, welcome to Coach House. My name's Steve Gerzini, and I want to bring you inside and show you a little bit about what we've been doing here lately. We thought we would create a really cool experience for our customers and create a nice little design center. What the design center consists of is all of the various laminates that we're able to use inside the coach, so all of our different colors. We've got different Corians. All of our countertops on our coaches, again, are Corian. Different fabrics that we use, different leathers, floor samples. Really a cool little place here to sit down and spec out the coach of your dreams. Now, in addition to that, we've painted all these little shells, they call them, and these shells indicate some of the different paint colors that we offer. So there's two-tone paints, we've got solid paints. Really kind of a neat area to sit down, enjoy yourself, spec out something that you might love for the rest of your life. So really a cool place, I think, at Coach House to be able to create a design center where you can come in and kind of pick out your colors, pick out your paint colors. We do some slight modifications, and I like to leave it there. Depending on what your needs might be, we're able to do a little bit of customization here and there. Still staying with our same floor plans and things like that. But we offer an awful lot of stuff, standard features. Now, in addition to that, we also have what we call our garb stuff. This is all of our Coach House embroidered logo t-shirts, hats. We got coolers, we've got mugs, all kinds of a neat thing. And when you buy a Coach House from us, we usually give you some of this stuff. We have it for sale, but generally when you buy something, you're going to get something from us anyway. Let me show you one other area in our showroom that I think is really cool. Now, another neat thing in our showroom is we have mimicked our slide outs. So we've built replicas of different models of slide outs, but they're basically the same size. And what we like to show people is you have your option in most of our slide outs to have a dinette, a manual sofa, or 2 power recliners. Now, these can all be put in any model that you choose if it has a slide out. Making them the same size has allowed us to do that. So I think from a functionality standpoint, say you buy a vehicle that you have a sofa in it and then you would like to put recliners in it. We've got the capabilities of doing that. We're showing a couple different cabinet variations and so forth in here as well. But I think it's really nice to be able to come into Coach House and sit down and feel and touch and get all of your design features put together. Kind of a really nice feature.